how to make money on Fiverr.com using email extractor software. I'll also show you how to make money on ClickBank and digistore24.com. Okay, so if you are newbie, just watch this video till the end, because I'll show you a process of how to make money using this email extractor software. You can get this software from topemailextractor.com. okay, so this is a software that can extract emails for you. Okay, so there are various ways to extract emails. You can also extract emails by Google Maps, and you can find businesses and sell products or service that a business needs. Okay, so this is just one method. Okay, so but we'll be focusing on this method. Okay, so we'll just go and we'll extract emails using keywords. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to click the search by keywords and insert the keywords out here. Okay, so after you insert the keywords, you can choose the country, and the mode is fast, and just click OK. Okay, now what this software will do is that it will go and find for you highly targeted email addresses of people in that particular niche. Okay, so if you want a faster email extractor software, this is also the second email extractor software which you can get. Okay, so all the links will be provided on the description of this video, so just go ahead and go to Top Email Extractor, or go to the link on the description. Okay, so this is a better email extractor software. You just have to type in the keywords. We are focusing on work from home, because people wants to work from home, people wants to make money online, people wants to work from their laptop, their mobiles, so that it's easier for them, okay, than going out for that 9 to 5 job, which is really tiresome. Okay, so when you are working at home, you get the freedom to work whenever you want. Okay, so you can go for vacation, you can do you can spend time with your family, etc. okay, by working from home. Okay, so I'll show you a method which I'm showing you this method so that you can go and start making money. Okay, so yeah, now this email extractor software will extract emails of highly targeted emails according to the niche. Okay, suppose you are promoting product A. Okay, so that niche, just insert the keywords of that product A. Okay, so keywords can be anything. Okay, suppose you are selling a headphone. Okay, so maybe you can type in the best headphones, the headphones of 2024, the most AI technology headphones. Okay, so there are a lot of stuff. Okay, that's just one example. Okay, so whether you are selling clothes or you are selling a service, etc. Okay, so you can just go and extract emails. Okay, so the software, these two software can, okay, so I'll just forgot to click, I'll wait. So this two software will go and extract emails for you. Okay, so they'll extract thousands of emails for you, and after you extract emails, how can you make money? Okay, so just head over to Fiverr.com. okay, just head over to Fiverr.com and create gigs like this. Okay, so you can see out here that people are selling leads. Okay, so you'll get lots of orders. Okay, you can see 578 orders completed, 129 orders completed, 52 orders completed. You can see out here 1k orders completed, 530, 429, 1k plus orders completed. Okay, so just go and create a gig. Okay, so just write something like I will give you business leads for this month and this month. Okay, so yeah, let's go and check one of them. Okay, so any one of them, let's say B2B leads. Okay, so I'll do contact list finding. Okay, so this type lead generation is the main goal of any business. Okay, so they want leads, and after that they'll start emailing them, and they'll start turning those leads into buyers. Okay, so they will buy leads from you. Okay, so you can see out here basic, just 50 leads cost. This person is selling 50 leads for $15. Standard 200 leads $15. Okay, and 1000 leads $200. Okay, so you can see out here that this person can make a lot of money using this software. Okay, so if you just open this software for, let's say, 2 to 3 hours, you'll get thousands of leads. Okay, so you can sell those leads. Okay, so if you have more than one software, remember this software is extracting emails in real time. Okay, so it will take some time, but it is the fastest email extractor software. Okay, so and this is also the best email extractor software, the best lead gen tool. Okay, so in order to get this software, go to topemailextractor.com and get this one. Okay, so I want you guys to go and get this software because it has 24/7 support team to help you. Okay, so if you're stuck anywhere, if you need any help, the settings part, if you want to make this software faster using proxies, etc., everything can be done by contacting the 24/7 support team. Okay, so yeah, and going and after you go and extract emails, you can sell those leads on fiverr.com first. Okay, so now this software, okay, so both of this software also has a email sender software. Okay, so I'll just stop this extraction process, okay, because just you can do it on background. Okay, so once you run this software, the software will go and extract emails for you. Okay, for this example, I just stopped this extraction process. Okay, this also has a email verify tool. Okay, that means you can go and verify your emails. Okay, so they'll remove all the duplicate emails, the fake emails, etc. Okay, similarly out here, okay, so this software has extracted more emails, but the second one, this one, okay, so this the software that extracts emails. Okay, this is the software that extracts email, and I've got better results with this one. Okay, that means I've got more sales with this. Okay, so this software also has an email verify tool and email sender software as well. Okay, so this is the beauty of this software. Okay, so this software is all, if you want a cheaper version, just go and get this software. Okay, so it costs you, I think, $79. Okay, it's a lifetime edition. Okay, you do not have to pay anything. Okay, with this software, but the second software, it has everything. Okay, the bulk email, the verifier, the email sender software, the list manager. Okay, so so for this, okay, so you just have to click select and you have to start the verification process. Okay, but I'm just setting it as valid for now because I want to show you other steps of other things of this, okay, software. Okay, I want to show you other features of this software. Now once you do that, you can also export these leads. Okay, so you can export these leads on Excel, Word, you can copy it on clipboard, etc. Okay, so once you export it, you can go and sell those leads on fiverr.com. Okay, just create a gig similarly to this one. Okay, in the beginning, if you do not have a good profile on Fiverr, just make the cost minimum. Okay, so just get some reviews and slowly you can increase the cost of your leads. Okay, so after you do this, this software also has a mail sender. Okay, so that means you can send bulk emails. Okay, so why do you want a bulk email sender? Now if you do not, one method is you can go to fiverr.com and sell those leads. Second method is you can go and promote somebody else's product and make commission yourself. Okay, so you just head over to clickbank.com and you'll find tons of offers out here. Okay, so you can see out here all these, there are a lot of niches out there which you can choose from. Okay, so for this one I chose the e-business and e-marketing niche, and yeah, there are lots of offers out here which you can promote and earn $19, okay, $43 per sale. Okay, so remember, just look here. Initially, when people go and get this guide or get this offer, okay, so you'll get $6.6, but from the second month, the rebill, okay, the future rebill, you'll make $29.90 from one sale. Okay, so imagine just getting 100 sales. Okay, then from after that 100 sales, you'll be getting $2,900 every single month without lifting your finger. Okay, this is the beauty of this method. Okay, so sometimes ClickBank do not accept new users. For that, just head over to Digistore24. It's also a similar website. Okay, so where you can find products to promote. Okay, so if you go to this affiliate support page, if you go to affiliate page out here, you'll find a few emails which you can send. Okay, so if you do not know how to write your own emails, okay, so just click new and just delete it. Okay, so now you just all you have to do is write email and send. Okay, so this email sender software, you can test, you can send, you can schedule all the recipients that were extracted. It will come out here. For this example, I just I did not give much time so that a lot of emails could be populated. But yeah, if you just leave the software open for around 2 hours, you can get tons of leads. Okay, so yeah, you can also this software also has a spam checker, because spam checker is very important, because your emails must reach the inbox of the people, not the spam folder. Okay, so now this is the best inboxer. Okay, so you can find lots of email sender software online if you search, but if you want an email sender software that reaches the inbox of the recipient, that's the one which you need. Okay, so then I'm giving you this email extractor, email sender software. Please go and get this one. Okay, of course. And Yeah, now if you do not know how to write emails, okay, so yeah, once you send emails, okay, you'll send an email promoting or offer, okay, but people may not buy on your first email, okay, so when you're sending like thousands of emails, you'll get like 5 to 10 sales. But if you want to get like 100 sales, 50 sales every single day, or every 2 to 3 days, you want to just follow up with the people, okay, so in order to get, okay, so if you want 1000 emails, if you want funnel that is done for you, if you want products that's already chosen for you, I'll leave a link on the description again, okay, just go and get that bundle, okay, so you if you want buyer list, okay, so if you want buyer list, okay, so everything done for you, that's also a package which I'll provide you if you go to the link on the description of this video, okay. So top email extractor, go and get this software. If you do not want to get this software, if you want the done for you system, and you can mail to the buyer list, okay, buyer list are the list that's already proven to buy products online, okay, so they have the credit cards ready, they have PayPal account ready, okay, all they have to do is like your emails, all yeah they have to do is like the products which you are promoting, and they are ready to buy, okay. So if you want those buyer list, okay, so I'll leave a link again, okay. So there'll be three links, three links in total, okay. First, email extractor link, I'll be that is top email extractor. Then after that, I'll be giving you a link that done for you link, where everything will be done for you, okay. So you do not have to worry about which products to promote, you do not have to worry about the emails, everything will be written for you, and all you have to do is just send emails, okay. That's also automated, okay. So if you want the done for you system, go and get it from the second link, okay. The first link for the email extractor, second link for the done for you system, and the third link, okay. So third link will be according to you, okay. Suppose you have other services you want to promote, suppose you have another product or another affiliate product you want to promote, okay. So you do not want to promote the products which we recommend, okay. So you may have your own service, you may have your own product, and you want to earn 100% commission, okay. For that, I'll give you the third link that will take you to the solo ads link, okay. That means all the buyer list, all the people that have bought from us, okay. So you will get a you can send emails to them, okay. You can send email to them, and you can use our authority to get sales, okay. So you your conversion will skyrocket if you go and go to third link and start selling your own service, okay. So from the second link, which will be on the description of this video, you can go and get the done for you system. And on the third link, okay, so on the third link on the description of this page, you can go and buy you can go and send emails to our buyer list, okay, and make lovely commissions, okay. So I hope you understand, okay. So let's make money, okay. So this is a guaranteed way to make money, okay. So you just have to invest, and if you invest, you are going to make money, okay. So I'm not talking about just the email extractor, I'm talking about the second and third link is very, very important. I'm not giving you more details on this video for a reason, okay. I want less people to go and get that offer, okay, because it will be overwhelming, where a lot of people will go and order, okay. So it will take time, okay. It will take time for you to get sales, okay. So only those people who are interested can go and click the link, okay. So if not, you can just go with this method, okay. Just go and get the email extractor with topemailextractor.com and go and start emailing, promoting clickbank offers or digital 24 offers, okay. So or you can just go to fiverr.com and go and sell your leads, okay. So thank you very much for watching this video till then. You guys are awesome. I'll see you on the next video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. I've seen a lot of views on my channel, but I'm not seeing the likes, I'm not seeing the comments. After watching this video and after making money, okay, if you do not want to comment, that's okay, but after watching this video, if you start earning, please help others also, okay. So just show them this method and let them make money, okay. So let's all together make money. If you have new ways to make money online, just leave a link on the comment section, that's also okay. I do not mind, I'll check it out. Maybe I'll buy from your affiliate link, but for that you have to show me the proof of earnings, okay. So we can just get connected to, let's say, skype.com or wherever you want, okay. So let's start making money online. Thank you very much. I take a leave. Bye bye.